Dealerships make 73% profit on service repairs, higher than luxury watches. They're counting on you never discovering what I'm about to reveal. Every mechanic knows these 20 secrets. Corporate policy forbids sharing them. If you knew these tricks, service revenue would collapse overnight. Your car isn't broken, it's artificially limited by design. Manufacturers choke 40% of your engine's power to extend warranties and force you back to dealerships. 3 days ago, a customer walked out with a $1,847 repair quote. 30 minutes later, he fixed it for $6. In this video, you'll discover simple maintenance tricks that double your engine's lifespan. Why dealerships charge thousands for fixes you can do for under $20. And ultimately, 20 forbidden secrets saving you over $10,000 in repairs. Under your hood right now, carbon deposits strangling intake valves, a computer that's learned to drive scared, and transmission fluid slowly turning to sludge. These secrets range from simple 30-second ECU resets anyone can do, to modifications so effective the EPA banned them. Some violate the Clean Air Act. Others bypass safety regulations. The final trick: a $12 bottle that kept one truck running 387,000 miles. Manufacturers say never use it, but it's why mechanics' cars last 3 times longer. Trick 20. The biggest scam dealerships pull, making you think your car's computer maximizes performance. It doesn't. Electronic throttle control learns driving habits over time. Gentle starts, soft acceleration, conservative limits. The computer never forgets these patterns, even after maintenance. Here's the problem. Your car drives like you're terrified of the gas pedal, limiting performance. Dealerships charge $150 for this recalibration. You'll learn for free. The 60-second reset method. Turn your key to on without starting. Press the gas pedal completely to the fore. Hold exactly 10 seconds. Turn key off, release pedal, wait 10 seconds, then start. This wipes throttle data, forcing fresh ECU learning. One Camry owner felt 20% faster within hours. Trick 19. Carbon buildup strangling your engine and costing hundreds annually. Pop any car hood over 30,000 miles. That black coating on your throttle body. Carbon buildup from oil vapor and fuel residue. Chokes airflow, wastes fuel, kills power. Dealer quote: $347. Real cost: $8. Without cleaning this, you're burning money every tank. One customer wasted $400 annually from carbon buildup. Warm engine, spray RCRC intake cleaner into intake at 2000 rpm. Engine stumbles, coughs, thick smoke pours. That's years of carbon burning off. Result: smoother idle, harder pull, car feels 10 years younger. One Accord gained 3 mpg, $400 saved annually. Trick 18. Now the killer. Transmission failure, costing $3,800 to fix, only $120 to prevent. Dealerships claim sealed for life fluid. Reality: sealed until warranty expires. Mechanics replaced 46 transmissions dead at 60,000 miles. Sludge chokes passages, making shifts jerky. Ignore this. You're looking at a $3,800 bill. Partial drain and refill every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Replace 1/3 each time. Over 3 changes, nearly all fluid slops without shocking system. Real example: slipping Civic at 120,000 miles. Dealer wanted $3,800. 3 partial changes over a month. Shifts crisp. Car new. Total $120. Trick 17. Now things get truly illegal. Next mod adds 20 horsepower, but banned in all 50 states. The most controversial modification in automotive culture, sparking heated debates between enthusiasts and environmental advocates. Removing catalytic converters is illegal everywhere under Clean Air Act. Yet it's most effective for increasing exhaust flow and horsepower. Cats restrict flow by forcing gases through honeycomb structures. Straight pipe frees 10 to 20 horsepower, improves response. Turbo engines see greater benefits. Legal risk severe. $2,500 fines. Failed emissions. Insurance denial. Some shops won't touch deleted cats. Trick 8 got an entire shop shut down by feds last year. Trick 16. Something nobody mentions about spark plugs. Costing you money with every mile. Every plug comes pre-gapped from factory, but in 20 years mechanics report never seeing properly gapped plugs. Even thousandths of an inch off wastes fuel. Most people drive on imperfect plugs. About $200 wasted fuel annually. Secret: set gap 0.2 inches tighter than spec. Strengthens spark, improves throttle response and idle stability. Rough idling Mazda 3, tighten gap 0.2 inches. Idle smoothed, acceleration sharpened. Fuel economy rose 1 mpg. Trick 15. This basic trick is nothing compared to computer modifications unlocking 50 horsepower. Remember I mentioned Trick 8, the water vapor method that destroyed a shop? Reflashing ECUs to disable emissions controls is federally illegal, but unlocks 20 to 50 horsepower. Manufacturers restrict. Why manufacturers limit power? Modern engines run rich mixtures, conservative timing for emissions, leaving 20 to 50 horsepower on the table. Professional tuning optimizes air-fuel ratios, advances timing, disables EGR, results immediate, better response, increased power, improved economy. But amateur tuning destroys engines quickly. Professional shops charge $500, $2,000, but legal risks forced many to stop. Do this wrong, destroyed engine. Do it right, unlock buried power. Trick 14. Next trick. Physical modifies engine breathing. Saves customers $280 on average. O2 sensors monitor exhaust. Tell ECU fuel mixing. Carbon buildup slows response, making engine run rich, wasting gas. Most replace sensors every 100,000 miles for $120, $200. Pull sensors, soak tips overnight in gasoline or cleaner. Reinstall. Zero cost, restored accuracy. This trick saves customers $10,000 annually. Still watching? These next tricks are why professional tuners' cars never break down. Trick 13. Aftermarket cold air intakes. Violate federal tampering laws, but increase airflow 20 to 30%. Turbo engines see 15 to 25 horsepower gains with proper tuning. Trick 12. Drill small holes on cold airbox side before filter. Never touch hot side near engine. One Civic gained 2 mpg from 3 half-inch holes. Cost: 5 minutes, 1 drill bit. Trick 11. Mass airflow center gets dust coated, making engines run rich. Most replace for $120, $200. Underground method: clean it. Or unplug, spray MAF cleaner, dry 10 minutes, reinstall. One SUV went from 14 to 18 mpg, $800 saved annually. Critical: wrong cleaner destroys sensors instantly. Trick 10. Dealerships claim lifetime fuel filter. Reality: it means until warranty expires. Install external inline filter for $6. Beats $1,000 dealer tank, pole. Trick 9. Remember the promise story about Trick 8? Here's what happened. A shop ran the water vapor trick on customer cars without informing them. One engine hydrolocked, bent rod, federal investigation, $47,000 in fines. Shop gone. Trick 8. It sounds impossible. Pour water into a running engine, make it better. But it's been circulating among old-school tuners for decades. Engine warmed and idling. Fine water mist introduced to intake. Mist enters hot chambers, flashes to steam. Sudden expansion scours interior. Blasts carbon deposits from pistons and valves. Steam wedges beneath carbon, lifts it, sends it out the exhaust as soot. Thick black smoke from tailpipe as decades of residue expels. Result: engine breathes easier, idles smoother, gains 10 horsepower overnight. But pour too much water too fast, you risk hydrolock. Liquids don't compress. Cylinder full of water bends rods instantly. One 200,000-mile Toyota received this treatment. Correctly, drives like it did at 100,000 miles now. We're entering true felony territory. Trick 7. Manual transmission conversion. Dramatic performance, but violates federal safety standards. $8,000, $15,000, months of work. Trick 6. Coil pack swap. Nissan and Infiniti coils interchangeable. 10-15% stronger spark. $60 salvage versus $400 dealer. Trick 5. Straight pipe exhaust with bypass valves. $2,000, $5,000. Provides 20 to 30 horsepower gains. Trick 4. PCV pressure hack. Inline fuel filter in PCV hose. $3. 60 seconds. Deers charge $150. Trick 3. Throttle booster. Disconnect battery. Press pedal to floor 10 times. Reconnect. Trick 2. Injector pulse. Run engine on cleaning solution 5 minutes. Dissolves deposits directly. Trick 1. The modification turning economy cars into rockets. Wrong fuel mixture melts pistons in seconds. No warranty saves you. ECU tuning for E85 ethanol or 100 plus octane unleaded creates 30 to 50% power gains, but completely illegal for street use. E85 has octane around 105. Enables timing and boost impossible with pump gas. Turbo engines see 40 to 60% increases. Stakes, fuel system upgrades mandatory. E85 requires 30 to 40% more fuel volume. Professional tuning essential. One wrong calculation. $8,000 rebuild. Done right, Civic's embarrassing Corvettes. You just learned 20 tricks totaling under $200 that prevent over $10,000 in repairs. But here's the one trick that beats all 20 combined. Monthly in your garage, doubles engine lifespan. High moly friction modifiers, like Liqui-Moly and ZDDP additives, coat metal with microscopic film, resisting wear, reducing friction, lowering temperature. Engines idle, quieter, rev smoother, maintain pressure longer. Real example. Old Corolla went from rattling at idle to whisper quiet after single treatment. Owner drove another 40,000 miles without timing chain tick. Manufacturers discourage this because additives complicate oil certification. But in the real world, friction modifiers are why high-mileage engines keep running after paperwork says they shouldn't. This $12 bottle monthly is why one truck hit 387,000 miles without major repair. You made it through all 20 illegal tricks. You now know what mechanics charge thousands to learn. The question isn't whether these work, it's whether you'll actually use them. Which trick are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you think these secrets are crazy, wait till you see what your car can already do that manufacturers deliberately buried. Welcome to the underground.